Hello guys, this is Alvaro and I'm here to help you with your Spanish. Well, this page I've created for English speakers to help them from A to Z in their Spanish courses. With me, you can learn Spanish in a very creative way and very fun way, and I hope I'll be there to help every and each one of you. So let's start to it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. I'll be posting like every once in a while and I hope you enjoy them. Well, the first one is the introduction to Spanish. How to introduce yourself to your Spanish friends to begin a conversation in Espanol. First, you have to use the sentence like what's your name. We use it with ¿Cómo te llamas? Esa es la pregunta. This is the question. So, in Espanol, we always use a verb, which is what are you called like? So, ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Álvaro. ¿Y tú? So here we can start with hola, of course, you know it. It's like the counterpart of hello in Espanol. And we have like this example here. Hola, me llamo Jay. ¿Y tú, cómo te llamas? Me llamo María. And you got the translation in pink. Hello, my name is Jay. And you, what's your name? My name is Maria. So let's go through some basic greetings and farewells. Saludos y despedidas. Los saludos son ¿Cómo estás? O ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás is like something formal. We use how are you, but in a formal way. We use ¿Qué tal? With friends, with familiar people, with co-workers. ¿Qué tal? is like what's up, how you doing? Buenos días, which is good morning. Buenas noches, which is good night. Hola, the basic one that everybody knows. And buenas tardes. Buenas tardes is like good afternoon or good evening. Now let's go to the farewell part. Farewells, we have hasta pronto. Hasta pronto can be translated literally into see you later or until later. And it's used like when you don't know exactly when you're going to see the other person, so you say hasta pronto, until we meet again soon. So now we have ciao. Ciao is a word borrowed from Italian. We use it to say goodbye in a like familiar way with friends and family. So you cannot tell your boss ciao así, pero tienes que decirlo a tus compañeros, a tus colegas. You can use it with your friends, with your colleagues. And hasta luego until later, just like hasta pronto. Both words are used like in a similar way. Adios. Well, Spaniards don't use adios like so many times or so much in their lives because adios is mainly something that you use when you're not gonna see the other person again. So adios is like you're saying to them goodbye forever. So mainly it's like hasta pronto, hasta luego, ciao. Nos vemos. Nos vemos is a verb. Is the verb verse en español. And nos vemos is like we're gonna see each other, but we're not gonna specify like exactly the time. So just say nos vemos. Like see you again. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. With the word hasta, you can add anything. Hasta mañana, hasta la próxima semana, which means until tomorrow, until next week. So it's basically you're just specifying when is it gonna be the last or the next meeting. And well, that's it for now for the despedidas. We're gonna go through them in other videos and explain more about many ways of greetings and farewells. But to start with right now is like this is the basics that you need to know. Now let's get to the part where we talk about getting to know others. So I'd like to present to you this girl. Her name is Aisha, and she's English. Let's hear it in español first. Me llamo Aisha y soy inglesa. Soy empresaria y tengo una empresa de informática. So, this girl here is Aisha. She is from England. And empresaria means that she's a businesswoman. She has studied business and has her own company. And well, the company here is about IT. Empresa de informática. This guy here is CZN Burak. It's a very famous chef. Hola, soy CZN Burak, soy turco y trabajo de cocinero. We use the verb trabajar to say to work. So whenever you want to introduce yourself, you have to start with yo trabajo de plus the job description, or soy cocinero, soy empresario, with the verb to be. The next example is Tala. Me llamo Tala, soy alemana y soy estudiante de arquitectura. Here Tala is from Germany, Alemania, alemana y alemán. And she is a student of architecture. The next one is Javier. Me llamo Javier, soy francés y trabajo en una agencia de viajes. Well, francés means that he's French and he works in a travel agency. You have to remember, it's agencia de viajes, but he doesn't have a real job description, so he's just stating where he works. You can also use that in the description. You're gonna introduce it about yourself. Now we're gonna get to Ana. Hola, mi nombre es Ana. Soy argentina y soy profesora de español. So as you can see, we used first me llamo, soy, mi nombre es. 3 different forms to introduce yourself. Mi nombre es literally like my name is. Me llamo is I am called. And soy, it's like just I'm Ana. It's like a simple way, more native style way. Now we have to pass on to Paula. Hola, soy Paula, soy italiana, de Milán, y soy periodista. She is Italian, she is from Milan, and periodista is journalist. So she is a journalist, as you can see in the picture, she's reporting, a reporter. And here we go with Shakira. All of you know Shakira. She's Colombian, and she is a singer. We have to remember that the word singer doesn't change from masculine to feminine. Un cantante, una cantante. Entonces, hola, soy Shakira, soy colombiana y soy cantante. And that's it for today. Well, I'd like you to try it yourself, to introduce yourself in the commentary section. Just like leave a comment, try to introduce yourself in any way you like, from anything you picked up from this video, and I'll be ready to answer to you as quick as possible. See you guys, and I hope you like this video.